In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view email campaign reports in iContact. If you've just sent a campaign and want to know how it performed, iContact makes it easy to check the results in one place. We'll walk through where to find your reports and what the key numbers mean, so you can quickly understand opens, clicks, bounces, and more. To begin, log into your iContact account. Once you're in, head to the navigation. In the sidebar or at the top, look for the section labeled Report Card. Depending on your layout, it may appear under Email, or you might see it grouped with options like Reports, Tracking, or Analytics. Click into that area and you'll land on the Report dashboard, which is where iContact displays your campaign performance statistics. On this dashboard, you'll usually see both raw numbers and percentages side by side. That combination helps you compare campaigns at a glance and spot trends over time. The sent figure shows how many messages were attempted. Delivered tells you how many of those actually reached inboxes, which is a critical indicator of list health and deliverability. Open rate reflects the percentage of delivered emails that were opened, giving you a quick read on how compelling your subject line and sender name were. Click rate shows the percentage of delivered emails where recipients clicked a link inside, which is the clearest signal of engagement with your content or offer. Bounces capture the addresses that didn't receive your email, either because of temporary issues or permanent problems with the address. Unsubscribes shows how many people opted out after that send, so you can gauge whether your message met audience expectations. A few practical tips as you review. Check that delivered is close to sent. Large gaps may mean you need to clean your list. If open rate is low, test subject lines on your next campaign. If click rate is lagging, refine your call to action and link placement. And always keep an eye on bounces and unsubscribes to protect sender reputation. One important note about report cards. You'll only receive a report card if you sent at least one email during the previous month. iContact generates report cards for the prior month within the first week of the current month. So, if you don't see one yet, that timing may be the reason. That's it. Now you know exactly where to find your iContact campaign reports and how to interpret the key metrics so you can make smarter, data-driven improvements on your next send.